So next, I'm going to select vehicle details. This will give me updated information on total miles to empty on my vehicle location. And if we scroll down, it'll even give us tire pressure, oil life. You also have a vehicle hotspot trial provided through AT&T, 3 months, 3 gigs, whichever comes first, for free data. And then you also have scheduled startup times. And then you also have down here along the bottom, you have Find, where you can search for different points of interest like fuel, parking, food, and coffee, and much more. You can also set a preferred dealer. And you could go ahead and select your favorite or nearest dealer. And all we're gonna do is set preferred. It makes setting up appointments so much easier for your service department. You can check out the dealer website and have a direct number to your favorite dealer. So we're gonna go over the guides. And basically this is your point of contact for customer support. You have available a chat, call, and email. And I really think that this is a really good way to also search for different features of your vehicle. So if you're not certain how remote start works or Ford Pass rewards, then this will give you not only how-to videos, but tons of information on whatever it is that you're looking for. Next, we're gonna go over the account. And I would say be mindful of your account and any messages that you may have. This will let you know that you have a vehicle authorization complete. You have the welcome to Ford Pass message, but this will also let you know if your alarm is triggered, if your car overheats, if you need more washer fluid, or maybe even a recommended service that you may not know about. And I also wanted to point out the Ford Pass rewards. This is all new with Ford, and they really have improved the reward system. So for every 10 points you get, it's equivalent to $1. And just by activating your vehicle today and sending out the signal and pairing it to your phone, you have available 42,000 welcome points, which would be available to you after 30 days after purchase. That you can use towards your service, buying accessories, and even towards your new or future vehicle. So with your Ford wallet, you can do a couple of things by entering your credit card information. One thing is to prepay for service, which is always convenient. And then you can also conveniently find parking in your Find section here. Search for parking, reserve it, and also pay for it all through your Ford Pass app. If you make reservations for any parking, it'll let you know right here in your reservation section, and also for any service appointments. You also have your settings to make any adjustments towards your account. Maybe you change your phone number or your email. So that was going over the Ford Pass app, how to activate your account and also utilize all the features. If you do have any questions, you can stop in at Healey Brothers Ford and Lincoln in Goshen, New York. Again, my name is Shay, and it would be my pleasure to help you.